Hello, everybody. Welcome to our place value of whole numbers unit. Let's get started with our lesson objective. So, our lesson objective for today we will identify the value of a digit based on its place value. Okay, fantastic. So, up next, first we're going to go over our vocabulary. So, our first vocabulary word is digit. So a digit is a number from 0 to 9. And it's going to be just one of those numbers. So over here we have 153, and the 1, the 5, and the 3 are our digits. So a digit is just our numbers from 0 to 9. All right. Our next vocabulary word is place value. So a place value is the value of a digit based on its location in a number. So over here we have 4,074. You can see here we have the digit 4 in the thousands place and the ones place. But when we look at where its location is, its place value, we can see that 4 in the thousands place is worth 4,000. But 4 in the ones place is only worth 4. So I know that 4,000 is more than 4. So the 4 in the thousands place has a larger value. It's worth more. All right. Now, let's go on to our lesson. So, first thing we're going to do is we are going to build 349. And we're going to build 349 using base 10 blocks. So, what we're going to go ahead and do is in this corner, you see this in your learning map, you are going to click on the virtual math manipulatives. That's going to take you to this spot right here, and we are going to use our base 10 blocks, which is going to be this little icon right here. So I'm going to click that. It's going to open it up, and that's going to take me to my base 10 blocks. So we are going to go ahead and let me see, what number do we need? 349. So we are going to go ahead and build 349 using base 10 blocks. Now, what this is telling me is I have 349 of something. We're going to call them units. So I have 349 units, right? And so for a unit is going to be one of these. So what 349 is telling me is I have 349 units, right? Now, if I'm going to build 349, I need 349 of these. So I can go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up until I get to 349. I don't know about you, but to me, that sounds like a lot of work. And I don't want to put that much work in. There might be a simpler way. So let's see if we can go ahead and do that. So I am going to delete these out. And now let's go ahead and build 349. So I need 349. Now, looking at my base 10 blocks, let's look at this. This right here, I know has 100 units. Each of these little squares is a unit, and there are 100 of these. So I have 100 right here. Now I need 349. Okay, so if I take 3 of these, let's see, that's going to get us 100, 200, 300. Okay, now if I take 4, that's going to be 400. That's too many. I don't need that many. So I have 300 blocks so far. And what I need is I need 349. Can I make these smaller? I don't think I can. Okay, so I need 349, right? Now, if I have 349, I'm going to need 49 left. So let's look at this. So I know I have this, and how many are on this one? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 on this rod. Okay, so now I have 310. 310. If I take another one, that's 320, 330. 340. Okay, so what happens if I take another one? Oh, that's 350. That's too many. I don't need 350. I only need 349. Okay, so let me get rid of that. Now, I have these right here. Each of these are 1. And I have 340 and I have 9 left. I can get 9 of these ones. That doesn't seem like it's too much. Let's go ahead and do that. So I have 1, 2, put these down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, That's 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9. So let's count and make sure that we have 349 because I think we do. So we have 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349. So I have 349 pieces right here. Okay, so I went ahead and I built 349. Awesome. All right, so now let's go on to our next slide. I'm going to go ahead and clear this. So what is this asking us to do right here? It is asking us, what number does this model, right here is our model, represent? So let's see. So I have 100 here. I have 200, and these are each 10. So I have 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I have one of these. So I have 351, 2, 3, 4. So I have 254. Okay, so that's what this model represents. Fantastic. All right, now let's see. Oh, we have some more questions. So we have 254. Let's look at it. 254 has how many hundreds? Okay, so I have 100, 200. So those are my flats. So it has 200s. 254 has how many tens? Let's see. I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3, 4, 5 tens. Oops, let me write that in. Okay, and how many ones does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have 4 ones. All right, fantastic. So let's go over to our next slide. Okay, so we did that. Now, we already did that part. So now we're going to go ahead and read our lesson objective because we're done with the lesson today. So our lesson objective was today we identified the value of a digit based on its place value. All right, great. This is a great lesson. Make sure that you complete your recall notes and continue with the rest of your learning map. I am so excited to see all the fun things we're going to learn throughout this unit. And you guys did great today. Have a good one. Bye.